In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects from photos in Canva with Canva AI. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your design tools without interruptions. Once you're in, we're going to start with a clean canvas so the process is clear and clutter-free. From the Canva homepage, click on Templates, then choose Poster. Posters give you a nice, roomy workspace that's easy to see. When the poster options appear, click on Create Blank. You'll now have a fresh, empty design ready for your photo. Next, bring your image into the design. On the left side panel, click on Uploads and select the image you want to use. Once it's uploaded, click the image to place it onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners if you want a larger view while you edit. Now look at the top toolbar above your design and click the Edit button. This opens the photo editor sidebar on the right. In that sidebar, find the Magic Studio section and click on Magic Eraser. This tool is designed to intelligently remove unwanted objects and fill the space so it blends with the surrounding background. You'll see a size slider for the brush. Adjust the slider so the brush is large enough to cover the object you want to remove, but not so big that you accidentally touch areas you want to keep. A medium size is often a good starting point, and you can fine-tune as you go. Move your cursor over the object and click and drag to paint over it. Make sure you cover the entire object with the colored brush overlay. If even a small edge is left unpainted, part of the object might remain visible, so take a moment to be thorough. Releasing your mouse will let Canva AI analyze the selection and prepare the removal. You'll see it intelligently fill in the area with nearby textures and colors so it looks natural. When you're satisfied, click Erase to apply the change. If the result isn't perfect on the first pass, try a slightly smaller brush to get close to the edges, and paint over any leftover bits. You can also make multiple passes on complex areas for a cleaner finish. That's it. Your unwanted object is gone, and your photo looks polished. Practice with different brush sizes, and take your time covering the full area for the best results. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaning up your images with Canva's Magic Eraser.